brother, this agwe parawa bonyoshi. Or what you call obtained by tricks. You cannot tell me that you just decided to put Ebuka Obi's picture in your crusade without seeking consent, without informing them, or without reaching out to them. Because the backlash you're getting, you came out online to talk gibberish. You need to remove his picture from there. You need to seek legal advice from his legal team before you portray yourself in this kind of rubbish movement you took. This is totally unacceptable. Or Zionite or the legal team should reach out to you for you to remove his picture from this your crusade. You can equally quietly reach out to them one way or another. If you can't reach out to them, you cannot put such picture there because you're obtaining by tricks. All these things you're explaining doesn't make sense. Did you seek their consent? Did you inform the Akun you're mentioning? Did you inform the legal team you're mentioning? My brother, you should remove his name, anything that has to do with him, from that your post that you're deceiving the public. Just because, you know, sirens are everywhere. When you do anyhow, you collect anyhow. That is why you rush out here to say what? Are you really serious? Are you really serious? You guys are taking advantage of Ebuka Obi because he has a large population. Why would you do something like this without informing any of the legal team or without informing anybody or seeking advice or even asking them their consent before you use his picture? My brother, please guys, if you get this video, share it so let it reach the appropriate authority. Please, this video should be shared. This is Arab nonsense. You're not even making sense. You're not. For those of you and those that will, because if you guys do not do anything about this, they will start performing this kind of dirty acts on any of their deceitful way. That you're a Zionite, that you're this, you're this. Does that give you the right to do this? So if you guys did not take action now, this particular people, this guy, after he's finished his own, another person will come and take over and do the same thing. So the best thing for all of you is to send a straight warning. Because in the many people were on this line. Mother will picture mother pay Facebook, ne somebody wayo, onya heche no onya na ebu ya wayo, mother will picture mother tinye, aboge na WhatsApp group, nana give your nude picture, nana go togi, get you know the person. This nonsense should stop. Go and do the needful.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. My name is Blessed Lambert Ebenezer Jeremo Sungenge. They call me Blessed Oracle. Please, I am doing this video now to clarify an information that is going on in the internet because of our forthcoming program. Please, I want to use this medium to say that our Papa, Ebuka Obi, that the purpose why his picture is in the program is for his spiritual blessing. Is for spiritual blessing. Not that he is going to come for the program. So as many that, or that he's aware of the program. So as many people that are, you know, terming it to be another thing. All my fellow Zionites, I want you to disregard any other information that you get. I am the one hosting the program. And like I said, the purpose of our Papa's picture, our spiritual director's picture, is for spiritual blessings so that the program will go successfully. There is no way anybody will think or assume that this little community outreach, that our Papa will be there. Our Papa is too busy. Our Papa is too busy. He can't come in such a program. So please, I want you all to disregard anybody making any other intention or using it against our big family Zionite. Don't listen to such a person. Don't listen to such a person. So wherever you are, if you see this video, I want you to share it. Tag everybody. Tag Honorable Akozion. Tag Barrister Tochukwu. Tag all the Zionites. Are you getting what I'm saying? I am a full member of Zionite. I have been following Papa for a very long time. So I want you people to take this message, share it in all the platforms.